Hi, this is Master Ken. In the past video, I talked about that a CEO or an MD posted on LinkedIn that the company managed to stage a turnaround, a net profit of 125.35 millions for the financial year. So the financial year is ended at December 31. So yes. So what does it mean financial year? Oh, sometimes they call it fiscal year. So it basically means this. A fiscal year is a 12 months accounting period. So from January to December, that is a 12-month period. But a fiscal year can be different from a calendar year. Calendar year is always January 1 to December 31, but a fiscal year, a financial year, may not. For example, that Microsoft, the fiscal year is from July 1 to June 30. So it's right in the mid of the year. So they will announce their earnings. So let's look at that. Now, my fictitious company, the R Bakery Shop, has also this data set. So we will take this and put into a pivot table, and you can see that there will be some numbers adding here. So basically, just tracks the year, date, and the sum of all units sold. So in January, this is 44. So now, want to know is the running total. What is running total? Now, for example, that a company have a 23 units sold on January and 75 units sold on February. So what's running total? It basically means this is you click equal. You click on this one. Sorry, you type you type sum. You select this item and collect this again one more time, and you basically lock this row here and you drag this down. So what it means is that it will add up the previous month's data. Uh, See up to here, this will become the month. That is called running total. That is using the normal way. So now uh, we learn the. Now, if you want to do it in the pure table, what can you do? Do you want to do something like that? So E60, E6. Uh, you gotta talk this there. Sum E6, and then you lock this here, and you drag here. So it's 88, and up to now here will be 53 million. Okay, so that's great. So now let's look at this is the one. So if you turn it into okay, that is called running total. So since this is a pure table, can we just do it the same day without writing this formula? The answer is yes. So all you need to do is right click here, choose show value as, and choose running total in according to the date, according to the months, and then click OK, and you have the same thing right here. Now this running total, it says that it must be happened from January to December, and then it will have and then yeah, that's it. Then it will restart it again on the next fiscal year, which must be January to December. It also include that the fiscal years on in the mid of the year, like June, for example, like June, right in the middle of the year, right in the middle of the year. So so in that case, maybe you want to do something like this. So that's the one, and you go here and you start equal sum. Click on this, equal sum. 就是 E12, and then you start dragging it here until here, until oh yeah, until June. Okay, so that would be your fiscal year, which if you end at like Microsoft end at June, financial year end at June, then this is your year to date. Okay, running total is also called year to date. Okay, so now this is the limitation of pure table, but this can be solved easily with Power Pivot, uh, Power Pivot or Power BI. Okay, so now how do we do this? So I have created a measure that is called total year to date. Total year to date, you can take a look at here. Total year to date. Okay, evaluate the year to date value of expression in current context. So these are the syntax. Let's take a look at here. So basically, I put in the measure, which is total quantity, and I also supply it with the dates from the date table. So this date table is using the calendar to generate. So total year to date. Yeah, that's it, right? Well, we just right here total year to date. Then what the measure do is that it will do a running total for you. If you use the total year to date function, it will just tell you. The thing is that if you don't specify the last part, which is the fiscal year, when is the ended year and date, then it will by default from January to December, January to December, January to December. Now, if I would just change it here, you see, look at here, okay, you have this year and date, year and date. So we just apply this one more thing here, comma, let's say like Microsoft, so we put it June and enter. So look at that. It will now restructure it. So we see that from January until somehow from June, it goes down. See that? It doesn't accumulate anymore. This one until here June, it go down because the accounting period is from July to June. To June as compared to the previous one. So it does make a bit difference for some kind of just by looking at the okay. So these are the ones. So this is 135 million. Now oh wait. Is this a comma? No, it's not a comma. Wait. So this is 35 million. But if you use the fiscal year is either right in the middle of the year, then the high point is 75 million. Okay, so there is a different way to analyze it. However, this is when the company set up, they already have this, so always happen in the 30 June or December 12th. Okay, so that's it. That is how you use the total year to date. Okay, total year to date right here. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. And thank you, Jesus, for your ability to share.